PMS. God bless America. Hi, it's me, Mama Mila, and welcome to another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. You're here in my kitchen, and today we are making the fudgiest brownies of your life, okay? These brownies are the brownies if you're having a bad day, if fellas listen up, PMS, all right? These are the brownies. You'll notice that you're gonna be like, Mila, where's the baking powder? Where's the baking soda? There is none. You know why? Because these are fudgy brownies. So they're not raising like a cake. They're dense, and actually my friend Kyla calls them better than sex brownies. I mean, I don't know about that, but we'll take it. Let's start off with our ingredients, okay? First, we have 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. This is, I'm looking at my notes, I'm so sorry, but this is like, I've made this for like 8 years and I still don't remember. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. There's 2 sticks of butter in here and I'm gonna melt them. Then we're gonna do 4 eggs. And in my bowl here, I have 2 cups of sugar. It looks like this because it's organic sugar. And then we're gonna have vanilla. I'm gonna measure vanilla with my heart like usual, so it's probably gonna be a tablespoon. Let's make these brownies, baby. To our sugar, I'm going to add that big splash of vanilla. Then we're gonna add in our eggs and we're gonna stir it all up. So we're gonna add in our flour, and then our cocoa powder, and our salt. And I'm not gonna mix this in. Instead, I'm gonna add in our melted butter. And the reason why I did this was so that the eggs don't curdle, and you never, ever, ever wanna overmix brownies. So I start it by stirring it, and then I'm gonna start folding in the batter. Don't overmix it. Next, let's pour it in a greased pan and put it in a 350-degree preheated oven. So we're gonna cook our brownies for exactly 25 minutes. Don't have anxiety, okay? You're gonna take it out and you're gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes. I know it's a little jiggly in the middle. It's totally fine, I promise. After it sits for 10 minutes, we're gonna sprinkle it with flaky sea salt. Trust me on this. Your girls never steered you wrong before. Crying. Okay, not crying. I'm fine. We're back with the PMS brownies of the lifetime. So I've just decided that since I'm feeling a little chaotic because we're at the end of our filming day, I'm just gonna eat it with a fork out of here. I also spent probably about 5 minutes trying to find like the perfect thing to cut this out of here. The fork it is. Here we go. Scoop. Oh no, no, I want this crispy edge. You know I always gotta get the perfect bite. Look at, they're so like fudgy. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the main reason why these are so fudgy is because of the pan. You want a shallow baking pan like this. I know it's weird and it's not traditional, but there's something about this pan that when they cook, it's like magic. Okay, let's eat this. I hope you can hear that little crunch. I am the edge of a brownie girl. God bless America. I think brownies are American. They're very American. Literally the only thing that can make this better: whipped cream, a glass of milk, ice cream. All things I currently do not have in this kitchen, but that's okay. When you make these, you've got to tell me how much you love them. And fellas, if your girl is coming at you and she's a little, because you know, I don't know, we have to bleed every month, make her these brownies. Anybody can make these, they're easy. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me in my kitchen again, here at home. Don't forget, I love seeing you at the restaurant. I love you. I love spending time with you. I love you coming here and spending time with me. And I know you really love me, so you gotta like and subscribe. Here on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I promise you, I'm chaotic all the time. There's always something going on. You'll love it. Tanti baci.